Hi friends, I am Pravin. Today I have come with a new video in SEO complete course. So without any delay, we will start the video. In this video, you will get to know about what operators used in SEO. First, here there are two operators that will be using in SEO. First, you should know. Here I have already explained the spider crawler will come to our website and scan each and every content in our website. So we should know when the spider crawler has come to our website. For this, the new operator used is called catchy colon. CACHI catchy colon. The catchy colon is used to find the last crawled date and time of spider crawler. The syntax for this one is catchy www. This is the syntax for our catchy colon, friends. I will explain this with example. Go to new tab. You can take any website. For example, I am taking flipkart.com. Copy this URL and type catchy colon and paste the link. Click enter. Here you can see the last crawled date of spider crawler. The Flipkart website was last crawled on 17th March 2022 at 5:52 GMT. So using this catchy colon, you can able to find the last crawled date and time easily. The next operator in SEO is site colon. Site colon. Site colon is used to find the our page is indexed by indexer or not. For example, here the user search for any information, the indexer will pick the information using the keywords and it will show in the SERP layout. Here we should know whether our website is indexed or not, or our website is shown in SERP layout or not. For this, the site colon is used. Site colon is used to find our page is indexed or not by indexer. It is used to find our page is indexed or not. So using the site column, we can able to find our page is indexed or not by indexer. For this, the syntax used is site column www.abc.com. This is the syntax for site column. For example, I will show this in some website. Just go to new tab and type site column and paste the Flipkart link and click enter. Now the results in Flipkart results are shown here, so that the Flipkart website is indexed and it is shown in the SERP layout. Using this method, you can able to find the page is indexed by indexer or not. So these are the two operators that are used in SEO. Thank you.